Hello there and welcome back to Space Engineers. Yes, we're back on Space Engineers once again, going to be continuing our survival playthrough. There we go, there's a name. every time I need to come up with a new name, apparently. Anyway, just a quick few little things before we get started here. I would like to apologize about this whole week. This whole week has been a little bit crazy, especially last weekend. Last weekend I was doing some real life stuff, and that had my time occupied. And by the time I got done with that, I was super exhausted. So it's just like, just as soon as I get done, I'm just like, yep, bedtime, bye, later. But then after that, there was a demo that came out called Roadcraft, and we ended up playing that. Oh, there's a hole here. Do they have a? Yes. Oh, these are all a range of different colors. These blocks around here. But yeah, we had started playing the Roadcraft demo, and that took up the entire week. So yeah, Space Engineers had to take a back burner from that, but that demo is completed, so we should be going back to this for now. Back to normal-ish. Now, last time we had kind of improved our drill rig a little bit. I had to move the anchors, or the outriggers. I had to move them back to the back side of the vehicle, because when you right-click drill with this, it drills a hole all the way up to this second wheel here. So you end up with this big hole, and yeah, that's why they had to move it back, because it was here, and then when you drilled, you would unlock from the ground. And that's not good for anyone, especially this. Do need to armor this up, though, because I'm afraid that one of these is either going to get damaged enough or whatnot. One of these, they might be reinforced conveyor tubes, but they are definitely not much stronger than the normal conveyor tubes. And if something breaks, well, that's not good for anybody. Because that whole drill rig falls off, and then getting it reattached would be a very big challenge. So yeah, we definitely need to get that armored up. I don't know if I'm gonna do that eventually or whatnot. That'll kind of be a side thing, but yeah, this drill rig actually performed quite well. We got a whole bunch of resources out of it last time. As you can see, we've got this connector full, this connector full. All the drills need to stay empty, by the way. You don't want to drill until the drills are full, because then you can't fold the rig up because the drills are too heavy. And then we've got the industrial cockpit even ended up with some iron in it. But yeah, we've got this iron here, this iron here, this iron here. And then the large cargo containers, 42K, 42K, 37.6K, 42K. Got a little bit of ice in our generator there. But yeah, that's performed quite well. We got a crap load of iron in one go. It did take a little bit of time, but much faster than drilling by hand and then entering it into our little kind of monster truck here. Yeah, so kind of today's plan, I guess, partially, I don't really have a full plan here, but partially is going to be getting this hooked up to the base somehow. I do have a few ideas. I was going to do a crane type deal and then put the boxes in, but then I was just like, you know what? We're long enough that we can definitely do just a regular connector here. We could do a regular connector, pull out all the iron out of the boxes, and then shove them into the base storage, and then we can go again. Essentially, do another drilling of some kind, maybe. Because we can drill anything at this point in huge numbers with this drill rig. And I'm sure a lot of people are probably wondering, why didn't you do a flying drill rig, like a flying machine that drills? Because those are so easy to do. It's like, yeah, they're easy to do, they're easy to fly, they're easy to mine resources. I wanted to give myself a little bit of a challenge and kind of do a vehicle drill rig. Now, the original plan was to make a rig that was kind of like this, but it had drills on the front, and you would dig down in a ramp, and you would dig yourself a tunnel down to the resources, and then drill it out from there. The only problem with doing that is you can't really turn. So what you'd have to do is back all the way back out of the hole, and then go again, and then until all the resources were done. Then I came up with this idea, and I was just like, you know what? Actually, yeah. Why don't we just have a way for it to drill down to the resources? It's going to take a lot of pistons, which this one's 26 pistons long, but yeah, it takes a lot of. So 26 pistons is what? 50. 52 meters? 26. Well, 25 is going to be 50 meters, so yeah, 26 is going to be 52. Yeah, so 52 meters, because each one of these pistons fully extends out to 2 meters, so. And I was just like, yeah, and then I was like, I know a rig like this. There's a real life rig. It's not quite this long, but it's got tank tracks, and it drills, basically footholds in the ground for bridges. I don't know what it's called though. But yeah, it roughly does the same thing. But yeah, how are we gonna get this hooked up? That is going to be the question. Definitely going to be using a connector, of course. I think we're gonna have to have pistons for the connector, and we're probably gonna have to drill out a hole and a line, like lay down a pipe that connects it all. See, if this is one block higher, whoops. Let's go ahead and get a measurement here.
Inventory full.
No. I'm forgetting all the controls. Alright, give me a connector. Oh, I already had one. Jeez. What is wrong with me? Okay. Is that going to be good height? No, it needs to go lower. So yeah, definitely custom. I was like, if it's close enough, we might just leave it, but...
Inventory full. Inventory full.
What's all in my inventory, man? It's actually not that much. Huh. That's alright, we'll scroll on down here. I need that. Man, one of those does fill up your inventory. But yeah, it's probably going to have to be a piston. Probably be back here, huh? But we're going to need to move this. Yeah. Okay. I just got to remember how to control this thing, because it's got a lot of controls. There we go. And it looks like we can get away with the landing gear touching the sides there without it going absolutely nuts. I can't drive. Oh, because the parking brake's on. That's probably... That would probably help if I turn that off. Look at the wheels going nuts. Yeah, I'm wondering if I should lower some of the strength of the wheels. It does seem to be... I really need to get my controls down again. Okay. Yeah, the strength is up too high, I think. Oh, let's go 25%. There we go. Yeah, because if you got too much strength in the wheels, you won't get the traction. Yeah, the traction's a little too high. Hold on. Especially on these blocks, they tend to stick to them. They tend to stick to them quite well. Let's go. I don't know. Let's go 30%. Oops, that's the Windows key. That's a little better. It's like if we can get a parking space set up for this. Let's see, how close am I? Can't really tell. Oh. Yeah, we definitely did run into that, so we're going to be doing probably this block here. Seems like enough space. So this block here. I just needed to know exactly where to put the piston. It's going to be much more forward than that, but yeah, this is a... Whoop. Oh, because one of the unidentified signals popped in. Now everything's turned to mashed potatoes. Give it a minute. There we go. Yeah, every time we get a unidentified signal popping in, it makes the game go funky. Very strange. Actually, it's probably going to be here, isn't it? Instead. So, thinking like, yeah, right here. Let's see, how low does this piston need to be? Probably there. Nope, too high. There we go. Okay. So then we're going to need to drill down. There we go. Then if we put our piston in there. Right in that floor hatch. And we're going to need conveyor. If I can spell it. Okay. Should we? Yeah, we should use the pipe ones. I like the pipe ones. Pipe ones are nice. Then, so we need a corner. Whoops. That's not how you do that. Then, because it's always going to be extended, right? So it doesn't really matter. So it's always going to be extended. Okay. Just check and make sure I have that correct. I just need a little bit of interior plate to get it going. Yes. Just a little bit of interior plate. Like 20. 20 how to do it. Because these are going to be welded up. It's like, maybe I should color these. Think I've colored them? I'm not sure. Unless you need just a regular armor block. So then you'll have to pull this forward a bit. Okay. And then 5. I think we should put this the other way. Yeah. I'll weld that up. We'll go get the stuff for this. I think I got it. Okay. There we are. Now I'll need to extend that piston. What would you say, 2 meters? Let's see, each one of these blocks is a meter, right? Are these, no, these are 2.5. These are 0.5? I don't remember. 2 meters though. I'm gonna guess 2 meters. That should be close. Alright, where's that piston at? Let's see. Oops. That's not how we do that. I thought it spelled alright. Okay. Now if we put a star next to this, I think. Don't know why I exited all the way out. Yeah. Crash piston 1. Maximum distance 2 meters. Two meters is a little too high. I'm gonna say 1.75 probably. Why do I keep doing that? Look, it's been a little bit, okay? I'm rusty again. Or you're just a terrible gamer. Yeah. That's it's, you know, very true. Yeah. Well, we go 1.65. That'll get us. I want to get us right on the money. Give me that money shot, baby. No, please don't. Actually, I changed my mind. I need to reverse it. That's right. That would probably help. Yeah, that's good. I like that. I don't have any iron plates. Let's go get some iron plates. Okay. Nice. Now if we can get locked in. See, these are, let me see something. I'm pretty sure I did this, but I want to see all of my connectors. this all the way to these. Should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 connectors. Yeah. Make sure none of these are used for parking. Okay. I'm not sure I have that, that last... Oh, I do. Okay, the only one that's unlocked is 6. It's like, I'm not sure if I put those connectors on a connector or on a board here. I'm slightly off. I might need to put more wheels towards steering. Because this thing does not steer well. Okay, so we are connected. Ready to lock. 6. Alright, that's going to suck it out and start turning that into iron plates. But what I am going to do is we're going to take all of our inventory. And we're going to... Oh, duh. I don't even have it connected. Guess what I forgot already. I forgot to actually connect this. Okay. So the closest place. We should probably run it across. And then what we'll do... Wow, that is really far off. Okay, so it's... right here. Run it across, and then what we'll do is we'll put another one over here for the other vehicles. Oops. Great when you make the same mistakes more than once. Yeah, we'll build one over here, and then we'll build a pipe in between the two. I'll just have to dig out a trench. And then this trench will go out. The reason I don't want to connect it on that side is because that's going to end up taking up a slot in our connector, or in our taking up a slot in the amount of connection points here. And I want to be able to put more containers here when I need them. I want to be able to add more. So, yeah, that's kind of how I want to do that. But yeah, we're going to bury this pipe. Let's go ahead and lay down some pipe. Alrighty. Still working on it, but we're getting there, I think we're just going to go ahead and connect these up for now, and we'll worry about the rest of the tunnel later. That had taken me a long time to do. And it's still little bits. I can't get rid of those bits. Oh, I don't have any iron plates. Oh, crap. I'm gonna go get some iron plates. Because I'll forget to fix that. Completely. Yeah. It's taking way too damn long. And we need this hooked up so that it can start actually producing more plates for us. So we need to get that done. That damages the plates around it too. It's pretty crazy. Yeah, these little bits. There's only one way to remove these though. Once they get to that state where you can't target them, you either find the piece that you can target, which is damn near impossible sometimes, or you cheat. Basically, you turn on creative mode, you grab a voxel hand, you delete it, and then you go back to survival. That's the only other way that I know of to fix this. It's one of those things that sometimes it just does that. But yeah, I think we should finish this pipe. So what I'm thinking is I'll move this wall this way one, and then pull the pipe across. Yeah, you can tell I'm getting tired. Yeah, we definitely need to get this connected. Because otherwise we'll be here for a while. Is that flanged? Yeah. Oh. What do I have in my inventory? Oh, I pulled a bunch of plates. Oh, whoops. Probably shouldn't have done that. Looks like we could do 5. And that's all we can hold for our inventory.
Energy low.
Oh, yeah? I don't know if you guys seen it. I'll probably do like a high-speed version of that, of my build. If I do it at all, it'll be a high-speed version. But I almost had a very big catastrophe with my power. You know, we had a meteor storm come in very, very close. That's the closest yet. It's just like freaking heck, man. But hey, at least we've got the vehicles to where they're parked away from the containers now, and pretty soon they'll be connected fully. Here in a minute. At least that's my goal today, is to get this connected. Get that done. I hope this takes the same amount of materials. The little T-crossing here. I'm using the little T-crossing to kind of like make the pipe look supported. Oh. That one takes significantly more materials. Yeah, because there is no no pipeline junction that's like supported at all. It'll just float otherwise. It'd be nice if they had one junction or like one piece that would make it look supported. Like basically just take what they've already done with the regular conveyors and just do that. It's okay though. Oh, whoops. But yeah, I do like using the flanged pieces. They're pretty nice. Looks like we gotta drill out a bit more. Probably should drill out above it as well. So we can kind of see where this is going to end up. Oops. Yeah, we need to go to this point here. There we go. I don't have any plates. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a better way out of here. But the cool thing is, once it's connected, it'll start sucking out that drill rig. Okay. Yeah, we need to go back, get some iron plates. Ooh, almost out of hydrogen. See, that's where I like the warning is like I got a quarter left or more, or like hydrogen halfway or something like that. Or at least warn me when the damn bottle's empty. That'd be nice. And yes, I know there's mods for it, but this is a vanilla playthrough. Excuse me, ma'am. This is a vanilla playthrough. No, but yeah, this is a vanilla playthrough. I've played a lot with mods in this game, and I just wanted a vanilla experience instead. Yeah, drilling this out. It does take a while. Okay. Okay. That at least gives us somewhat of a thing. Right. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to pop out like right here ish, or maybe we should connect from underneath. Maybe. I mean, we would have to. I mean, this is all kind of temporary anyway. Where this pipe is actually going, it's kind of temporary. So I think we'll like it's going to be, some of it's going to be permanent and some of it's going to be temporary. So yeah, oops. Well, at least I made myself a ow. At least I made myself a hole. Didn't I grab the stuff for that? Or, no wait, there was iron plates in my inventory probably. Like, I could've swore I grabbed the stuff for that. Oof. It was already too late anyway. Alright, so then 1, 2, 3. I think we will drill that way a little bit. And we'll make that work. I do need to get these iron plates out of my inventory here. And the extra construction components. Oh, I'm out of construction components. Oh, crap. Are they... And it's like, no, I could have swore I made a bunch. There's more here. Let's see. Yeah, so 6. Okay. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yeah, we can hold 6. And we want a corner here. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna dig this out. Okay. Trying to remember where the damn keys are. Where the damn keys need to be. Ah! Fake sunlight. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put a junction in here. Like an actual junction. We don't have enough. Where did I put that hole? There it is. Hard to see with all the girders. Yeah, if we put like a junction here. Now we just gotta connect up 2 more pipes. Do the inventory stuff for that? No, those are the iron plates, okay. So we just need, yeah, just 2 more pipes and we'll have this thing connected. Then that'll start getting sucked out. 6. Yep, it's going. I hear it. I hear the refinery, and we're producing again. Woo! All the iron's getting sucked out of these containers, which is very nice. We may have to come up with a better parking spot for this one later on, but for now that'll work. That way we can process our materials immediately, which is very good. Yeah, we are finally making iron plates again. Holy freaking crap, man. We're making iron plates again. As the whole point of getting this finished and getting this whole tunnel hooked up was getting all these iron plates, or getting this iron out of here. As you can see, there's a lot in that industrial refinery. Making a crap ton of iron. Now we probably should work on... Now we were working on a... what was it? It was a yield module, wasn't it? At one point? Production... Oh, hold on. Yeah, I think it was a yield... If I could spell it... There we go. It was a yield module. We wanted 2 yield modules on this and 2 speed modules, I think. Just to kind of give it done a little bit faster. So, yeah, 2 of these, and then... then 2 speed modules. Speed modules, we can put speed modules on here. Very easily. Now we don't have the superconductors for these. We need 40 superconductors though. Okay. I'll grab all the stuff. That's definitely going to make it go really fast. But that's also going to suck down our power. As you can see, our batteries are already being... They're already being used. Okay, and then for the yield modules, we can get everything, like I said, other than the superconductors. Production... Superconductors, they take gold. Let's see, put that in front. I don't know if we have enough gold to finish those, but...
Energy low.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, all that's left is the superconductors. But it would be nice to get some more yield out of what we're mining. Especially when we start putting new gold into the system. We need enough gold to get the superconductors to get the yield modules, and then once we get the yield modules, then we'll have enough to actually make the gold super useful. The gold that falls from the sky. The silver as well, like the silver and platinum, that is a big one. Those are 2 big ones we can't get other than through meteor storms, and that's also part of the reason why I turned them on. It's like, yeah, we might have enough gold for this. I know we mined quite a bit. Yeah, looks like we're going to have enough gold for this. Unless the production just... No, it just skipped it. We're out of gold. Damn it! We need gold! Gold! The only problem is we don't have... We do have gold, but the mining of the gold is over in this area. And if we pull out our drill... I'll show you how far the gold is. If I can find my way through these rat tunnels that have been made. Yeah, we go down this hole, and we follow the cobalt. Eventually we're going to get a marker for gold. There it is. Gold is very far down, so we can't use our drill rig to have that happen. Our drill rig is max 52 meters, and 2 of those meters are taken up by the actual vehicles, so 50 meters is our max. 50 meters below the surface. And the gold is very far down. As you can see, I got a little bit of gold here. I don't want my gold. Just stone, that's just stone. Okay. Yeah, I don't want my gold falling down this hole here, so...
Inventory full.
Stone. I actually got more gold than stone out of that. Very nice.
Inventory full.
Oh, that's all gold. Okay. It's a decent load of gold. This is not going to get us very far, but... at least we got one yield module done. So at least we'll get a little more gold out of it than we normally would. This is very far down. You're probably talking 100 meters below the surface if I had to guess the number. From the cobalt's roughly 50. No, the cobalt's 100. Okay, no, 200 meters. That's got to be 200 meters down because the cobalt's almost 100 meters from the surface. So, and the gold is roughly 60 some meters below that. So, 170, 200, almost 200. Into the refinery here. I need an access panel. Yeah, it's gonna be a pain in my butt. Because yeah, doing all this iron. Oh, there it goes. Okay, let's swap those. All right, process that gold for me. We've got enough iron for the moment. I'd like to get these superconductors done. I don't know if that's going to be enough gold for it, but... I am really hoping. Hey! Nice. Alright, that makes that extremely useful now. Now we're definitely going to be processing enough to have a crap ton of gold, and that's a hole I just found. That's very, very good. I'm very happy. We got, we got a decent amount done today. I'm pretty happy with this as well. So now, what's probably going to end up happening is we're never going to finish this base. We're going to end up getting bored and be like, okay, let's go to space now. Oh, we did lose one. Yeah, we lost a wind turbine. I didn't think we did, but I guess we did. We lost a wind turbine. Huh. Interesting. Alright, yeah, we'll need to get that back. Let's go ahead and fix that real quick. Looks like we're gonna need to do that. Yeah, that is interesting. I didn't expect to come out to see a missing wind turbine. I wonder how long it's been missing. Turns out it's been missing for like several episodes now. I mean, I know these are not enough power to run what we're trying to run, but that is okay. We'll get there. What did I say roughly? I don't remember how many wind turbines I said I needed. I don't remember. But yeah, so the whole point of this whole thing out here is to get this into a bridge form that we needed, and bridge across the lake. And as we're bridging across the lake, we're going to put down little stems for our wind turbines. And we need to get all those wind turbines down. I don't want to build a wind turbine tower. I want to build a wind turbine bridge. I think that'd be pretty cool. Because everybody goes for the tower. Everybody goes for the the square tower that's got the the little beams running in between them, and and whatnot, and runs their wind turbines on the top and on the sides and stuff, and goes, "Yep, now we got what we need." And I'm just like, I want to do something different. I want to do a bridge with wind turbines on the supports. So basically, where the supports are for the bridge, that's where the wind turbines are going to be. I think that'd be pretty cool. I really do. And once we get that done, then we can actually really ramp up production, because we only got one refinery right now. Well, I want 10 refineries and 10 assemblers, all with full upgrades and everything. Like the assemblers, I want speed modules on them. I want full speed modules on all of them, and then yeah, I might swap this over to yield modules as well, to full-on yield modules at some point. Lose some of the speed, but you get a bunch of the but you get a crap load of extra material. Which right now we're only getting roughly 50%, so it would be pretty nice to. And then, okay, so there's one more. 2 more speed modules. I'll swap this over. Get that done. I'm actually going to go full speed modules on it, I think. Or full yield modules, I mean. Yield modules are pretty freaking nice.
Inventory full.
You know, I probably should have left those until we were done, but that's okay. I mean, all the gold's probably been processed already anyway. I don't have it on my hotbar anymore. That's okay. Yay, we had enough gold. Now that is going to yield a lot. That's going to be pretty darn nice in the yield there. I love these new refineries. These refineries are freaking cool. They're big and massive and crazy, but they are nice looking. Especially because you can walk on them. You can actually walk on them, you can look around. They got a lot of the assets that the normal game does, so you can kind of fit stuff together, make it look really good. You could basically inset this into a wall and make it look really nice. But anyway, with that though, we got done what I wanted done. With that though, that is going to be it for this episode of Space Engineers. So yeah, I don't know when next time will be. It'll probably be Tuesday. If I had to guess, because you know, Sunday's obviously not going to work because I got, you know, I got my normal stuff that I do on Sunday. So probably be Tuesday if I had to guess. Hopefully we can get back on track with our normal episodes going on. But yeah, things have gotten done, and we are actually in the business of producing stuff, so that's pretty nice. But anyway, like I said, that is going to be it. So I do hope you enjoyed. Oh, and before you go, I would like to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of the investors you can see here. Seriously, thank you. You guys are awesome. It is much appreciated. And until next time, I guess it's a goodbye.